I need your help. I would love to grow my channel. In order for me to do that, I need to have more followers. So I've decided to do a little giveaway. Now this giveaway is very easy to enter. You have to do only 3 things. Click subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. What you're gonna get in return are 2 things. And these 2 things are pretty cool to have for a motorcyclist. The first thing you're gonna get is a tool set. It's an emergency tool set, compact, has 52 things in it. I'll go in depth in a minute about what is inside this thing. That's the first thing you're gonna get. The second thing you're gonna get is this bag of GoPro accessories. I'll go a little bit more in depth what's inside here in a sec, just like with the tool set. You're gonna get this for free. It's US only. I'm not shipping it overseas because I'm a small operation. I know some of you watch this overseas. It's not really for you. US only, and all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below. Here's the thing. Only one person can win this. So you're entering into a contest essentially. What I wanna do is I wanna get to 1,000 subscribers. Once I hit that 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna randomly pick one of these people that subscribe, commented, and liked this video. Those of you that are already subscribed, I'm sorry, it's not for you. But maybe it is, I don't know. I don't know yet, I haven't decided. The bottom line is, I want this channel to grow, and if this channel grows, this is one way for me to thank at least one of you. Why do I need this channel to grow? I don't. I do this for fun, but at 1,000 subscribers, I can start monetizing. Maybe get a little bit of money back from some of the things that I've purchased to film some of these segments that I'm doing. And allow me to buy more things so I can review them as well for you, like the helmet thing that seems to be pretty popular. Don't forget, if you want a chance to win these 2 things, literally all you have to do is click subscribe, comment on this video, and like this video. The 3 things, that's it. Once I pick the person that wins these, I will contact them and ask them for their address and ship them to you. Again, this is US only, but by all means, if you're in another country and you wanna subscribe to my channel, I'm not gonna stop you. Please go ahead and do it. Stick around after this. I will show you what is inside these actual packages, what you're gonna get from the GoPro accessory kit and from the tool set and what's inside, okay? Thank you very much. Comment, subscribe, like this video. You will be entered for a chance to win these 2 packages together. Now let's take a look and see what's inside these packages and what you're gonna get. So this is your GoPro mounting kit that I am giving away, okay? Comes in this nifty little case. So let's open this up and see what's inside, okay? And here we go. You can see all sorts of mounting kits for just about everything you need. There's a clip, suction cup, handlebar mount. I think this is a headband. Okay, all sorts of other mounting clips, extra clips with extra tape, floaty thing. I think that's a floaty thing. I think that's a chest belt. And then you have all sorts of other extra clips in here. Tethers, you name it, bag, even a little accessory kit, instruction manual for what to put where. As you can see, this is all brand new, and even a little tripod selfie stick. All of this comes to you. You can see it's got little sections to place your kit into, and there you have it. It zips up. And there you have it. Okay, and this is the tool set that you will be receiving at the same time. 52 piece automotive tool set. In the compact zipper case, includes emergency blanket even. Okay, let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, nifty little diagram tells you what's what. This is very nice. And there we go. Wow. So there's a flashlight. I don't think it comes with batteries. Little tape measure if you need it. Click this in here. You have the blanket. You have electrical tape, which is nice. Different bits for the screwdriver, which is right here. And let's see, tire pressure, zip ties, a bungee cord if you need it. It's a nifty little extra emergency tool set basically, and it's small enough that you can throw into your side cases or throw it into your backpack, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. And you know, it may not have everything you need, but it'll have something. So in an emergency, it's possible that you may need some of these zip ties, or even a bungee cord, or even a tire pressure, flashlight, whatever. Perfect for that situation where you find yourself needing one of these tools, and you will have it. There we go. Zip this up. Put this back in here. Okay, so you saw what was inside the GoPro accessory pack and the tool set. Again, remember to win these, for a chance to win both of these, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see, or just say hi, or hey, I'd rather just get the GoPro stuff, or hey, I'd just rather get the tool set. It won't matter, you're gonna get both. Just let me know. Otherwise, I will see you guys later. Hopefully, I'm gonna get to that 1,000 subscribers, and once I do, these will go out to one of you. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Ride safe.